To add header or footer in Excel, we need to go to page layout. Currently it is in normal view, so that's what you can see from here. So next option is page layout. Let's click here. Then you have an option to add header. Let's click here. The moment you click here, the additional header and footer tab is created. Let's click here. You have various options to add. So on the left side, let's add the current date. Right side, let's add the current time. And in between the current file name is sales report data, and same will reflect here. So now let's go to the footer. Here on the right side, I add this page number, OF, number of pages. So this will give 1 of 5. Now let's go to File, Print. You can see the print view where we have date, file name, time, and then at the bottom you have page number. Thank you.